2019 S63 AMG M177 LS2 engine. Customer brought it in, complaints were regarding oil leaks. We quickly found the rear main seal leaking, vacuum pump leaking. Why does this happen? Oil separators, and they're located in the front of the engine. Oil separators fail on this engine, causing too much pressure in the combustion chamber, causing the rear main seal to leak out. If you have an E63 2018 to 2020 G63 S63 and you're experiencing an oil leak, check your rear main seal. More than likely, you're going to have the old version. Mercedes-Benz knows about this problem, so they came out with a new rear main seal. The new rear main seal looks like this. When you're replacing the rear main seal, you have to make sure that you also have to replace your oil separators. Otherwise, your new rear main seal is at risk of leaking again. Always use original Mercedes-Benz OEM parts, and make sure when you're working in the area that you go ahead and replace all the proper seals and gaskets that were taken off. This is because to get to the oil separators requires major amounts of disassembly in the front of the engine, including the intercoolers, the radiator fan, and much more.